kinds of good stuff. All kinds of stuff here. Lawn seed. Look at the seed. Wow. Got a lot of it. This is laid out differently. The other ones I go into, you go to the right out of the door and the clothes are here. So this is definitely different. Plenty of dog food. Yeah. Yeah, and chickens, here's the ducks. I've got some ducks. Wouldn't that be fun to do that again? Ooh. They got a lot of these. I'm not sure what's what anymore, but there's a lot of them. Let me see. I see them all. Wow. Oh. Hey. Here's a duck. Or, yeah, duck. You don't have to feed it either. Health and nutrition. Chicken 101. There's too much background songs. I won't be able to keep the auto track on this at all. Different ducks and insect food, all the equipment and stuff. Ooh. Saber heart traps. Do you know that in Maine it's technically illegal to trap a wild animal and let it go somewhere else? You've got to be a certified person to do that. Welding supplies, generators. I'd like to have one of them. Well, there's an air tank. It's only $1,200. Oh, all this nice tape. Or they've got smaller ones too. Neat. Use those for marking trails. Knife, concealed weapon. $20, $20, $8. Folding knife. Calamus. That might be $4.99, I'm not sure. Could be this one. This baby one. Well, I didn't spend a lot of time in there, but I noticed immediately the layout is different. Most Tractor Supplies that I've been into around here, when you walk in, you turn right, and there's all the closed booths. None of that. So they said this is a fusion store. I asked them why they were so different, and supposedly the center part of the store is going to focus on 9 particular items, and those 9 will change each season. So ducks and chickens, and all the stuff to go with it, dog food, cat food. They didn't have books. They didn't have a book section, so that's a bummer. That was one of my favorite things. It was a very small section, but the books were interesting to me. So we'll see what happens and see how they do. Well, probably never really know how well they do here, but hopefully they will do well, and hopefully they'll change and put books in just for me. Bye.